dancing underneath the endless sky.
Happy first birthday, Kylie. Wish ko good health, kaka lumaking mabait, mabuti, at may galang, at may takot sa Panginoon.
Never know what it could.
Mamiss ko lang sa apo ko.
All the sapphire emerald gold.
Happy birthday! Lumaki sanang mabait ang baby, tapos good health ka.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Happy birthday, Kylie! Happy birthday, Kylie! Happy birthday, Kylie! Happy birthday, Kylie!
I just wanna be in a beautiful life.
Hindi pwedeng palampasin ko yung araw na to, even umuulan man o bumabagyo, kailangan pumunta.
Wish ko sa'yo yun good health din, lumaki kang mabait, katulad ng mami mo, ng daddy mo, maganda, same like mommy.
Happy birthday, Kylie, and mahal ng halaga ng mommy at daddy mo, and enjoy being a baby.
Hope lumaki ka like your mommy and daddy. Sobrang bait, talino, maka-Diyos, at sobrang mapagmahal sa magulang.
We remind you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Kylie's first birthday party! If you are ready to party, everybody clap your hands!
All the little things
Kita, Kylie! Happy birthday sa'yo! God bless you!
in a beautiful.
Kylie, sana lumaki kang mabait, hindi sakitin, at lagi lang happy. Nandito kami ni daddy mo and ang buong family sa lahat ng milestone mo sa buhay. And susupport ka namin sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin. Thank you for sa lahat ng saya na binigay mo simula nung dumating ka sa buhay namin.
Every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains.
Nandito lang kami ni Mami para sa'yo. Alam ko hindi mo pa mapapanood to. Pagdating ng araw, mapapanood ko siya.
It's a beautiful life.